Hello and welcome to CobraTransmission.com. The Getrag 258 standard manual transmission was used in the BMW 2 Series X1, X2, and in the Mini Clubman, Countryman, Cabrio from 2014 and up. The bearing kit includes 2 needle bearings, 2 sealed ball bearings, and both of these have grooves, 2 ball bearings, 2 cup and cone bearings or tapered bearings, it has 2 double rowed needle bearings, plastic caged, and 5 single row needle bearings, plastic caged as well. There's 2 versions of these kits. You need to make sure that the combination is the correct one for your transmission. I'll have a link in the description where you could see all the numbers on the bearings. And you could also see more information on the bearing kit itself. If you have any questions, please let us know. Give us a big thumbs up and have a great day. Bye.